So I've been using the Nutribullet for about a week now, and so far, so good. Thought I would do this video to show you everything that comes in the package because it was actually quite a lot, and I was really impressed. So, of course, it comes with the machine itself. So this is the one that I got. This is the white, and the cord is, looks to be about 2 feet. It's got just this kind of plug, no grounding thing. It's got little feet. And then this is the part that spins. What happens is you get 2 of these containers. I believe these are 32 ounces, and they come with all of these different kind of lids that screw on and screw off. So I got 2 of these. So these are the kind that flip up so you can take your smoothies to go. It comes with 2 just regular rings like this. And then it comes with 2 of these rings with a little handle, which I like this a lot. So that's kind of cool. And then the other part is the part that goes inside of the cup when you make it. The little ring keeps coming out, so I do have to keep stuffing that in there. Not a super big deal, but kind of a little bit annoying. I thought I would mention it. So basically you make your smoothie in here, and you put this on top, of course, with the ring. I'm not doing it right now, just for demonstration. And then this goes upside down, and then it clips in to, see how it's got the little notches right here? Clips in, and then you push down and kind of turn it a little bit, and then that will turn it on. Also comes with a little quick start guide that shows you how to build your smoothies from the bottom up. So you want to put your greens and veggies, your fruit, nuts, liquid, boost, ice at the top. A lot of times I just use frozen strawberries, frozen pineapple instead of ice. So that's that. It also comes with like a full-size user guide. And the thing that I was really surprised by too is it came with a recipe book. So if you need ideas, they have ideas in here on what you can make. So like they have soups in here, strawberry banana, oatmeal blast, lean green. So these are like the names of the actual recipes in here. And it'll tell you how to put them in. So yeah, that's it. That's a pretty cool machine. It definitely feels hefty. It feels substantial. So it's not like a flimsy little machine, but yeah, I like it so far.